Cook, vegan. All right, guys, just checking on a couple people. Trying to admit some people in, that's all. Some of you look so wide awake. I need to ask whoever, you guys have to show me your videos because I am doing attendance and so I have to see video, I have to see faces. So all of you who have got the videos off, I got to at least see you for a second.
Okay, I'm here. It's just my video just doesn't work on this camera. Or on this. I'm Caden. I'm Caden.
Did you forget who you were?
Yeah. Dad, don't you do it, Dad. Get out of here. Oh, I'm sorry.
My camera's not working.
As long as I can hear you, that's good too. I cannot tell who this person is because they are way in the dark. That's probably Caden. Never mind.
My camera's not working either. I'm Audrey.
Marina. I don't see Noah. Am I missing Noah somewhere? Don't see Noah. Callie, are you on here somewhere? No,
Yeah,
Callie.
I'm here.
Huh?
I'm here.
Oh, there you are. Elena, are you on here? Hold on. Elena Gilbert. Don't see her. Don't see James Miles. And I don't see Zach Strodman. Wait a minute. There's Elena. Elena Gilbert. Got her. All right. James still missing. Zach is still missing. And Noah is missing. Oh, wait, there's Zach. All right. Okay. So I'm going to make today pretty darn easy for you guys so that, because I know that it's hard to wake up on a Monday morning right after break. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. Welcome to 2021 for the school year. Hopefully this year ends up being a lot better for all of us. Okay. So January 4th. So let's go ahead and get started. That way you guys can, for some of you, go back to bed. Others of you actually get started on some of the work that we have. So we are moving to a completely different unit, okay? We are going into physics, which you will actually do your junior year of high school, okay? And you'll do a little bit of your freshman year in high school. So this is kind of an introductory to physics. If you're someone who likes math and likes how roller coasters work and how any type of auto equipment, if you're planning on being an engineer in any way, shape, or form, this is the unit for you. So we're going to start off very simple this unit. We're going to just jump into a vocabulary, okay? We're going to do vocabulary a little different though this year. So let me first show you where the vocabulary is going to be. Hasn't really changed in terms of where you're going to find things this year. When I mean this year, I mean literally 2021. Okay, so let me go into, not that, Schoology, there we go. Sorry, 8th grade. So you guys found where our Zoom meetings are. So it is January 4th to the 8th, and there is only one thing that's submitted on here, and there's this vocab forces in motion. So when you click on it, you're gonna notice that there's only 13 words, okay? And you are going to use your Science Fusion glossary, which is located here. So that's pretty simple. That hasn't changed much. The only thing is any of these, 7, 8, and 9, and number 13, those are not going to be in your Science Fusion glossary. So I've given you the definitions. Now, notice it says, define the following words in your notebook using the method provided in the video, where you're watching the video right now. I'm going to show you how I want you to do your vocab this time. Okay? There is an opportunity for extra credit. Some people message me and say, Ms. Dazan, are you still taking extra credit for second quarter? The answer is yes, but not the ones that are in the folder. So this is an opportunity right here for some extra credit if you still want some, okay? If you find an illustration or model or visual representation for each of these words and place illustrations next to each definition. If you're at home and you want to print pictures out and glue them in your notebook, that's totally okay with me. If you want to draw them out, that's fine with me. They do not need to be in color, okay? So let me show you real quick how you're going to actually do your words. So there are 13 words. And like I said, you're going to need to do these in your notebook, okay? And this is going to be a notebook that you have to turn in to me eventually when I see you next week. So don't put this like in your math notebook or language arts notebook because you're going to physically turn these in. Okay, so let me stop my screen and show you what I want you to see, okay? So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna show you a small version of my notebook. So this is my notebook. I know it's backwards because obviously you're gonna see the backwards version of my screen for some of you. So you're going to take your notebook and you're gonna divide it into thirds. So I literally drew a black line, black line, black line, okay? And then you put your first vocab word, second, and third. Then you will cut on that solid line. And then when you turn it over, you'll place your definition underneath it, okay? So that each time you turn the tab, you have your definition. This is kind of going to replace your vocab words because you guys don't all have index cards, but you should have a notebook at home, okay? So you'll have 3 words on the first page, okay? So 3 words on this page, 3 definitions on the second page. And then you'll do it over again. You'll put word, 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 cut, cut, cut and cut, then definition on the next page. Definition, definition, definition. So in other words, the word that is here, I should see its definition here, okay? And then the illustrations you can put here, you can put them here, wherever you want to do them, okay? It's only 13 words, and I've given you the definitions for 4 of them, so it's pretty simple on how to do that. So that's all I really want you to work on for today, guys. It should take you maybe 20 minutes to do at most. So you can either do it now or you can go back to sleep and do it later. I don't care. I just needed to make sure you guys checked in this morning and then we go ahead and get started on this unit. Any questions? One last thing. There are many of you still who have not turned in your task sheet. Okay, what I mean by that is this. Let me go back to Schoology really quick. Your task sheet should be turned in. So if you go into last week's folder to the December 21st to 22nd, and here your Earth's constructive and destructive folder, this choice board, that task sheet should be submitted, okay? So I have submissions from all of these people. Let me show you who I don't have submissions for. Sorry, fell one. You need to submit these, okay? So these individuals, you have a 0 right now out of 154 points because they are not submitted. I cannot put a grade on here if you don't submit these. So Landon, Asher, Callie, Noah, Seth, Jake, James, Caden, Taylor, and Kellen. This choice board needs to be submitted. Each day it's missing, you guys lose points. So this was supposed to be submitted before you went on break, and I warned you guys several times. So make sure you get that submitted today, okay? So other than that, that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions the rest of the day, make sure you check in with each of your other teachers today because it does count for attendance. But you can message us all day today up until 3 o'clock. Okay?
Oh, wait, Mrs. On, when's the vocab due?
Vocabs are going to be due. I'm going to collect your notebooks next Monday when I see you guys again because I can't collect them now.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, good question.
All right, see ya.
All right, see you guys. Bye.